This is the FANGOR 10.5 dual DVD player for a car. So let's have a look. Wow, it's very well packed. There it is. Isn't that sweet? It's opening up. Hey! There's the main DVD player and the slave monitor, and they just connect easily together. You get two mounting brackets right here with these guys that connect to your monitors and two head straps. There's an AC adapter with different options, plus a car charger. There's an AV cable, a DC cable. You also get the remote control, user manual, and the RCA cable. And it all works really well together. You can easily sync the two screens, making it perfect companion with car travel. The two monitors will play the same movie via connecting the AV DC cables simply. Now, to do this, first you connect your DC and AV cables in the slave monitor, and then you plug into the AC wall adapter for the main player, and you just connect by plugging that DC cable into the DC out port on the main DVD player and plug the AV cable into the AV out port on the main DVD player. And now you can you're ready to play your DVD and simultaneously be seen and heard on both screens. It's a perfect companion for the car travel. It has a built-in 2,800 mAh high capacity rechargeable lithium battery. So you can make the main player work up to 5 hours solely by itself, or when connected with the slave monitor together, they'll play for about 2.5 to 3 hours. And of course, it'll play as long as you like when it's plugged into a power source. Now, you can use widely with various multimedia. You can enjoy viewing from all different region discs, CDs and DVDs. You've got readable and writable CDs and rewritable DVDs and CDs, as well as VCD and SVCD, but not Blu-ray disc or MP4. Now, the player is designed with a USB port, SD card slot, and MMC. You could play MP3, VMA, VOB, AVI, MGI, XVID, and JPEGs. Now, you can also sync playback to your TV, and it has last memory function as well. With AV out function, you can sync the playback to your big TV screen or other DVD players. With last memory function, you'll always play where you last left off, the last time you were watching. So that's a great feature. The viewing screens easily mount into your car with either the straps or the brackets, and it comes complete with the two brackets and the straps, so you have that choice on which way you want to mount it, and you dual mount the two DVD players on the back of the car seat easily, which won't make you move for the DVD players or shake them or take them out or drop them. They're nice and securely placed up there with one of these adjusting brackets. Look at that, it just connects in. One is professional and has more than 10 years experience in portable DVD players. It will be a great choice when you'd like two screens or to use in the car.